So hey guys, welcome back to Flight Master and another episode of Full Flight series. So last time we flew our CRJ 900 Air Canada from LFPG to Heathrow. So if you have not watched that video, I'll give the link in the description. You can go and watch out the first part also. So today let's fly A320 Delta. So let's continue from there only, meaning that we are going to take off from Heathrow and fly to another new place. So where should we go? EGBB. I don't know what airport is that. I'm just choosing airports randomly to fly. So let's start. So here we are on board an Delta A320 and the weather seems quite normal. So this is the view from Heathrow Airport. Pretty nice. So we are captain for today and let's start with our checklists. Pre-flight. So parking brake set. APU on, no smoking and seatbelt signs. So now let's get some fuel. Let's attach the fuel truck. So there we go. And let's get around 50% fuel because we are not flying too far. It's like 4 to 5 hour flight. So this much fuel is fine. Passenger and cargo doors are already closed. So let's detach the fuel truck. And now time to start the engines. So engine start checklist. Strobe lights on. Checklists are very important actually. So let's start engine number 2. And now engine number 1. So both of our engines have started and let's turn off the APU. So now we are ready for pushback. Pushback. Let's turn and stop. So pushback is completed and we are ready for taxiing. So eyes on, taxi lights on, navigation lights on, and let's go. So now we need to do a backtrack, meaning that we will taxi on the runway and go all the way till the end of runway. So now it's time to turn 180 degree. Oh no, oh no, oh no. So there we are on the runway and so let's prepare for takeoff. Strobe lights on, flaps 1 plus F, flight controls checked, cabin lights are already off. I don't know why we need to turn off the cabin lights, but no problem. Landing lights on and so we are ready for takeoff. Let's release the parking brakes and full power. Maintaining the center line also is important. V1, rotate. So we have taken off and let's put the gear up. Wow, what a view. This looks so cool. Look at that beautiful scenery. So now it's time to navigate and we need to turn right. Heading 08. So there we go, we are perfectly aligned. Let's engage the autopilot and it's time for us to sleep.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
So now we are approaching our destination, EGBB Airport. So we are approaching runway 15. Flaps full. Gear down. Let's also check the checklist. I am not doing auto land, so no need to arm APP. So glide slope check, gear down, flaps full, and cockpit slide dim 2. So this is very bad approach, I think. There's a lot of wind actually pushing us here and there and ruining our whole approach. Oh no, oh no.
You can always go around if it don't look right coming down. Don't wait until your silence baby sliding on the ground. You can always go around.
So we have saved our lives by going around, which was very important by the way, because as soon as I was about to touch down, I was flaring and there was very bad headwind pushing our nose upwards. So I just put full power and there was automatic go around. Automatic go around, new thing I think. So let's do that whole pattern work and come back for the approach. So here we are back and let's hope to do a smooth landing this time around. At least landing perhaps, because last time we just went around. So max reverse and max brakes because we have touched down very late due to the winds. So there we go. We have successfully landed on EGBB Airport after one go around. But no problem cause that was important. So let's follow the checklist again. And taxi. So there we go, let's park our plane. Parking brake set, passenger signs off, APU off, engine number 1 and 2 one by one off, navigation lights and beacon lights off. So we have successfully reached our destination and so we will continue from here in the next episode. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.